On August 25th, the Supreme Court ordered a special investigation team to conduct a fact-finding inquiry into Vantara, an initiative run by the Ambani-owned Reliance Foundation. The committee will inquire about the foundation's Green Zoological Rescue and Rehabilitation Center in Jamnagar, Gujarat. On Tuesday, the foundation reaffirmed its commitment to transparency and animal welfare. Vantara is a wildlife rescue, treatment and rehabilitation center developed by the Vantara Reliance as part of their large-scale conservation efforts over a land that stretches over 3,000 acres. The center houses more than 2,000 animals. The fact-finding committee is seeking a report from the foundation for allegations regarding its acquisition of animals from India and abroad, particularly of elephants. The SIT will also look into the company's compliance with the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, along with the provisions of the law regarding the trade in animals and animal articles. It will also check whether the foundation complies with the standard of animal welfare and husbandry, veterinary care, mortality data, and wildlife trade. There were additional complaints over the foundation's alleged misutilization of water and carbon credits and concerns about the facility's location, which is said to be close to an industrial zone. The SIT will also be looking into issues of financial compliance, money laundering, etc. The fact-finding inquiry is based on 2 petitions filed by Advocate C.R. Jayasukin and Dev Sharma. The multiple allegations are said to have been based on just newspaper reports and are not considered to be backed by evidence. On this, the Supreme Court said, "A petition resting on such unsupported allegations does not deserve in law to be entertained, rather warrants dismissal in limine." Vantara has put out a statement that said, "We acknowledge the order of the Honorable Supreme Court with utmost regard. Vantara remains committed to transparency, compassion, and full compliance with the law." They also said, "We will extend full cooperation to the special investigation team and continue our work sincerely, always placing the welfare of animals at the heart of all our efforts." A bench of Justices Pankaj Mittal and P.B. Varale appointed the 4-member SIT after hearing 2 public interest litigations which cited media reports, social media posts, and other complaints from NGOs and wildlife organizations. The SIT will be headed by former Supreme Court Justice Justice Chalameshwar, and he has been directed to submit a report by September 12. Other members include former High Court Chief Justice Raghavendra Chauhan, former Mumbai Police Commissioner Hemant Nagrale, and Additional Commissioner of Customs Anish Gupta. The bench noted that while the allegations were unverified, an independent assessment was necessary in the ends of justice. They clarified that the exercise is just for fact-finding and does not cast doubts on the statutory authorities or Vantara.